Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 GMC Sierra all-terrain crew cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7614A. Only 15,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. We sold the Sierra brand new, crimson red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. And not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. And power sliding rear window for additional ventilation. Locking tailgate, backup camera, front and rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, easy lift tailgate, spray and bed liner for easy cleaning as well as protection. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This all-terrain has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, automatic transmission with manual shift capability along with tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. All the power outlets you'll need for all of your electronic gadgets, wireless charging pad for cell phones, and lots of storage underneath. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Sierra has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.